1. Nvidia's $4 trillion market cap, AI's impact on stock markets. 2. Nvidia's market cap hits $4 trillion as AI boom accelerates. 3. Dow Jones Futures, Nvidia's rise, Delta's flight, and AI's impact on Rubrik and Astera labs. 1. Nvidia's $4 trillion market cap, AI's impact on stock markets. Imagine a company so dominant in the tech world that its market value surpasses $4 trillion, a milestone never before achieved by any other company. This is the astonishing reality of Nvidia, the leading chip designer, which has briefly reached this unprecedented market capitalization. But here's where it gets even more intriguing. Nvidia's success is largely attributed to its dominance in the artificial intelligence, AI, sector, with its high-performance chips being the backbone of this rapidly growing technology. As Robert Pavlik, senior portfolio manager at Dakota Wealth in New York, aptly puts it, it highlights the fact that companies are shifting their asset spend in the direction of AI, and it's pretty much the future of technology. The company's stock has experienced a remarkable surge, with shares rising by as much as 2.8% to an all-time high of $164.42, resulting in a market value of $3.97 trillion by the end of the day. This phenomenal growth underscores Wall Street's unwavering confidence in the rapid expansion of AI, with Nvidia at the forefront. But what's driving this unrelenting demand for AI technologies, and how is Nvidia managing to stay ahead of the curve? To understand this, let's delve into the world of AI and explore the factors contributing to Nvidia's unparalleled success. Nvidia's journey to the top has been nothing short of spectacular. The company achieved a $1 trillion market value for the first time in June 2023 and has since tripled it in just over a year, outpacing even the likes of Apple and Microsoft. This remarkable feat is a testament to Nvidia's innovative approach to AI and its ability to adapt to the ever-changing tech landscape. And this is the part most people miss. Nvidia's dominance in the AI sector is not just about its cutting-edge chips, it's also about the company's strategic partnerships and its commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. The recent emergence of a Chinese discount artificial intelligence model developed by DeepSeek had initially shaken confidence in stocks linked to the sector, but Nvidia's resilience and ability to innovate have helped the company bounce back with a vengeance. In fact, Nvidia has rebounded by about 74% from its lows in April, a remarkable recovery that has left investors and analysts alike in awe. As the global economy continues to evolve, one thing is clear: AI is here to stay, and Nvidia is poised to remain at the forefront of this revolution. But here's the million-dollar question. Can Nvidia sustain its growth and maintain its position as the leader in the AI sector, or will rival companies like Advanced Micro Devices and others manage to chip away at its market share? The answer to this question will depend on various factors, including Nvidia's ability to innovate and adapt to changing market conditions. As we look to the future, one thing is certain: the AI landscape will continue to evolve, and companies like Nvidia will play a crucial role in shaping its trajectory. So, what do you think? Will Nvidia continue to dominate the AI sector, or will new players emerge to challenge its position? Share your thoughts in the comments below. In conclusion, Nvidia's remarkable achievement is a testament to the power of innovation and the relentless pursuit of excellence. As we move forward in this exciting era of AI, one thing is clear: the future of technology is bright, and companies like Nvidia will be at the forefront of this revolution. But as we celebrate Nvidia's success, let's not forget the potential risks and challenges associated with the rapid growth of AI. As we navigate this uncharted territory, it's essential to consider the potential consequences of our actions and ensure that we're using AI in a responsible and ethical manner. The debate is ongoing, and we want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on the future of AI, and how do you think companies like Nvidia should balance innovation with responsibility? 2. Nvidia's market cap hits $4 trillion as AI boom accelerates. Imagine witnessing a major milestone where a company briefly hits a $4 trillion valuation, something that has rarely, if ever, been seen in today's markets. That's exactly what Nvidia experienced recently, sparking both excitement and scrutiny across the financial world. But here's where it gets controversial. Despite the brief spike, the stock closed with a slightly lower market capitalization of just under $4 trillion. Still, Nvidia's surge highlights a significant shift in the tech landscape. On a busy Wednesday, Nvidia's stock price climbed enough to push the company's market cap over the $4 trillion mark temporarily, reflecting the enthusiasm of investors eager to capitalize on its dominant role in fueling the explosive growth of generative artificial intelligence, AI. The company, renowned for designing the critical hardware powering the AI boom, saw its valuation soar, making it the most valuable firm globally, surpassing tech giants like Microsoft and Apple, both of whom had previously crossed the $3 trillion milestone. Interestingly, Microsoft stands as one of Nvidia's key clients, emphasizing how intertwined these tech leaders are. Nvidia, founded in California in 1993, first crossed the $2 trillion barrier back in February 2024, and by June, it had pushed beyond $3 trillion. Its rapid ascent is driven largely by the surging demand for AI hardware, particularly the chips that enable large language models like ChatGPT, launched in late 2022. Since then, Nvidia has positioned itself as the industry leader in GPU manufacturing, cementing its critical role in powering modern AI applications. This extraordinary growth has translated into an astonishing 15-fold increase in Nvidia's share value over the past 5 years. In recent months alone, the company's stock has risen more than 15%, and since the beginning of the year, it has climbed by approximately 22%. Despite ongoing geopolitical challenges, such as export restrictions and chip sales limits imposed on China, and fears that AI might require fewer chips in the future, Nvidia has maintained its momentum. For instance, in May, Nvidia announced that export restrictions on its H20 chips designed for the Chinese market would result in a substantial $8 billion loss in sales. Nvidia's CEO, Jensen Huang, emphasized the gravity of this issue, stating during a quarterly earnings call that the $50 billion China market is effectively closed to U.S. industry. Huang previously expressed concern that restrictions on chip sales to China would constitute a tremendous loss for the company, highlighting the geopolitical tensions that continue to influence the chip industry. This remarkable scenario raises thought-provoking questions. Are these valuations justified by real, sustainable growth, or are we witnessing a bubble fueled by hype and speculation? And as global tensions influence access to vital markets, could Nvidia's recent gains be short-lived or set the stage for more profound shifts in the tech industry? Share your thoughts. Do you believe Nvidia's current valuation is a sign of enduring innovation, or is it a cautionary tale about market overexuberance? 3. Dow Jones Futures, Nvidia's rise, Delta's flight, and AI's impact on Rubrik and Astera Labs. Imagine waking up to a financial landscape where tech giants are rising while market futures are falling. It's a scenario that might raise eyebrows, but it's exactly what happened recently. Nvidia, the renowned chipmaker, saw a significant rise in its stock, while Dow Jones Futures took a dip. Meanwhile, companies like Delta Airlines were flying high, and AI-driven insights were pointing to exciting opportunities in the tech sector, notably with Rubrik and Astera Labs flashing by signals. But here's where it gets compelling. The intersection of AI-driven investment signals and traditional market trends is sparking both excitement and skepticism. For those interested in navigating these complex markets, it's crucial to understand that information provided by services like Investors Business Daily is for educational purposes only. They do not offer personalized investment advice or guarantees. Historical performance is no indicator of future success, and it's essential to approach any investment with caution. The data used in these analyses often comes from reliable sources, such as Nasdaq last sale for real-time prices and LSEG for ownership data. However, it's important to note that real-time quotes might not reflect all markets. Moreover, authors discussing specific stocks may have a vested interest in them. Let's dive deeper into the world of tech and finance. Nvidia's rise is a testament to the power of innovation in the chip-making industry. Meanwhile, companies like Delta Airlines are thriving in their respective sectors. But what about AI-driven investment signals? How do you think these signals will change the way we invest in the future? Will they become a trusted tool, or do you see them as a potential risk? ***. And this is the part most people miss, the role of AI in uncovering hidden gems like Rubrik and Astera Labs. These companies are not household names, but they're making waves in their industries. But here's the question, should investors rely on AI for buy signals, or is there still value in traditional analysis? The trademarked services of Investors Business Daily, including IBD Digital and Leaderboard, provide valuable insights for investors. However, it's always important to refer to their terms of use for clarity on how to utilize these services effectively. As we move forward in this rapidly evolving financial landscape, one thing is clear: understanding the interplay between technology, traditional markets, and investment strategies is more critical than ever. So, share your thoughts. Do you trust AI-driven investment signals, or do you prefer sticking with what you know? Let us know in the comments below.